Hi everyone, I'm Mercy, part of the Pitch Sales Admin team. Today I'm here to guide you through the process of transferring motor vehicle ownership on the eCitizen platform. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need your ID number and password to sign into the portal. Click on Apply for Driving License. On the bottom right, just after your driving license points, you'll see the vehicle that you want to transfer. Then click on View. After that, click on Motor Vehicle Services. Then click on Vehicle Transfer. Click on Apply. Then upload the logbook in PDF format. Click on Next. After clicking on Next, enter the KRA PIN number of the buyer. Then click on Search. The buyer's details will appear. Then click on Next. You'll choose the payment method you prefer. Make the payment. Click on Complete. Then download the payment invoice. That is it. You've successfully completed the motor vehicle ownership transfer process. After the motor vehicle ownership transfer is done, as a buyer, you'll need to log in your eCitizen account and accept ownership of the transfer. Once you've logged in, you will find the logbook at the top of your driving points as a pop-up message. Click on Accept, then it will take you through the process up to the end. To our buyers and sellers, that is the process of accepting ownership on the eCitizen platform. Thank you.